Hey, Maisie here. I wanted to share with you a quick little ribbon addition to your Equestrian Topiary Bonbon Dish. Now, when you purchase this dish, you'll notice that there's really beautiful there's this open lip on the dish. And when I was designing this piece, I always thought it would be so fun to kind of style it with some ribbon. So I kind of wanted to share with you two different ideas for styling with ribbon with my Equestrian Topiary Bonbon Dish. So the dish itself is all food safe, dishwasher safe, and oven safe. So it makes a really nice, versatile, entertaining piece. But if you wanted to kind of dress it up even more, I took some ribbon. I went to the craft store and kind of went a little bit overboard. There are some really great options. I chose for this example where I wove my ribbon through every other. This is like a really pretty kind of twill blue ribbon, and if you're looking to do this with your own Equestrian Topiary Bonbon Dish, I would suggest sticking with a 5/8 or 1/2 inch wide ribbon. And I'll be sure to link some of my favorites from Amazon as well. But I had fun. I brought this with me. It's so small to the craft store to shop for different ribbon. So this is sort of more of a twill tape that was woven through. I was also thinking for those who have those beautiful plate walls in their home, this is a really cute way to add your Equestrian Topiary dish to your plate wall. I took some of the grosgrain ribbon. This one I really like. It has a frayed edge. And I just did a simple little knot. And once it's against the wall, it'll lie flat. And I thought this would be a really fun addition. So this is just a different way to style. And so I hope you have fun picking out and styling your own Equestrian Topiary Bonbon Dish. See you later.